Hey everyone, welcome to this video on the Emperor's Vigor Tonic. I'm David, and I just wanted to hop on here quickly to give you all the main details about this supplement, what it is, how it works, and if it really does what it claims. If you're curious to find out all of this, stick with me until the end because I'm going to cover everything in detail. Plus, I have a super important tip about it that I don't want you to miss. By the way, if you watch through and still want more info, I went ahead and put the link to the official website in the description box below. Just click there and you'll get all the detailed information on it. But I really recommend sticking around here first to catch that important tip. So, this tonic was created specifically to help men who are dealing with a decrease in libido. If your performance in the bedroom hasn't been as great as it used to be, you're definitely not alone, and there could be lots of reasons behind it, but it mostly comes down to low levels of testosterone and stamina, which can be affected by stress, anxiety, aging, and more. Sometimes we just need a little extra support for our overall health in this area. That's where Emperor's Vigor Tonic comes in, and the best part, it's made from 100% natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about side effects or anything harmful. All you need to do is take one capsule daily for at least 3 months, and you'll start to see the difference within a few weeks. Honestly, if you check out the official website, you'll see a lot of testimonials from guys all over the world who've used it and had great results. Your performance will improve, your libido will get back up there, and your energy and testosterone levels will increase too. So yeah, this tonic really does work, but only if you use it correctly. Be consistent with it. Take your capsule every day without skipping and commit to the routine. If you miss days or take it irregularly, you won't see the full results, and that can be frustrating. But if you're committed, you'll start seeing lasting and noticeable changes. On top of all those benefits, the makers offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out for a couple of months, and if you're not seeing the results you hoped for, just head to the official website, request a refund, and they'll return your money 100%. So honestly, there's really no risk, just plenty of potential benefits. Now, remember that heads up I mentioned. Here it is. The Emperor's Vigor Tonic is only available on the official website. That means you won't find it in stores or on other sites, only on their official page. So be careful to avoid counterfeit products and only purchase from the official link, which I've left in the description below. That way, you won't waste money on fake versions floating around out there. I hope this video helped answer your questions and gave you a good overview of what the Emperor's Vigor Tonic can do. If you're looking to improve your performance, boost your libido, and regain confidence, this tonic might be just what you need. Just remember to grab it from the official link in my description and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around.